How to use AutoDs with Facebook Marketplace. AutoDs plus Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will teach you and explore how to use AutoDs together with your Facebook Marketplace. As you can see right now, I'm currently in AutoDs. And I would like to demonstrate the different features that you will be able to use under AutoDs and the different tips, different things that you could do. Now, the account that I'm using right now, it's currently connected to an eBay account. But this isn't going to be an issue even though our topic is AutoDs with Facebook because it's essentially the same thing. The UI is going to be the same, the process, the flow, all of the features are exactly the same with Facebook. And if you want to know how to connect your Facebook account, your Facebook store with AutoDs, all you need to do is to click on your stores over here, click on Add Stores, and you can see here that there is a specific plan for your store type. As you can see, we have a Facebook store over here. If you go check out the content or like the price range or the package for that, you will be able to see here that for the first month, for this specific plan, import 200, meaning 200 products, you would roughly need to pay $27, so and so on and so forth. So there's different packages for more products, as you can see here. So after you connect your account, this is what you're going to see. We have a marketplace. In this marketplace, this is where you will be able to find products that you will be able to import into your Facebook Marketplace or your Facebook store and sell them. Essentially having a dropshipping interaction or business model where you don't really have or you don't have the product themselves, but you are still able to sell them and earn from it. And AutoDs will be able to handle all those type of interaction for you very easily. So over here, as you can see, we have different types of products that you will be able to find in a marketplace. It's essentially very similar to our different e-commerce platform out there like eBay, Amazon, and so on and so forth, where there will be some different categorization of products over here, which is a very useful thing since if ever you want to have a specific niche for your store, meaning you have to have a specific theme, you will be able to categorize your different things or your different products, such as if you want to sell everything that is related to outdoors, you could select that category. And as you can see here, all the products that we are seeing are all products listed under the outside category, which is very cool. Another thing that you could do is that you could check out fast shipping or products that are fastly shipped, that has a record of being shipped super fast. And there's all sorts of filters over here in the marketplace. And I can even search by product title, supplier, or even product ID. Now, aside from the marketplace, there are some specified or specific enhanced features as well, such as hand-picked products, which are products that are actually products that are currently trending. It even shows us some statistics over here on how these types of products are doing. As you can see, there's a lot of engagement for this type of products, and you can even see the saturation score. You could see them for all of these options available. This first part over here, the first row, are typically free, but if you want to use more of the product finding or handpicked products, you would need to buy an add-on. There's also some ad spy, which will browse through TikTok and Facebook ad to find the most popular dropshipping product. Once again, an add-on. If you want, you could get this as well to work together with your Facebook page or Facebook store because it also gets products from the Facebook ads either way. And we also have the trendings over here. Similarly, it's going to check or curate the real-time TikTok market analysis and show you the top performing products in TikTok. There are also some print on demands if you want, where you could create your own designs and sell them on your Facebook store. You could simply select a specific product or a specific clothing and put your design and start selling them. And if you're also unsatisfied with the products you have seen over here in our marketplace, what you could do is actually you could find products from external sources such as AliExpress. Let's use AliExpress as our example over here. In AliExpress, it has a great selection of all kinds of products. In my opinion, there are more products available in AliExpress in comparison to Marketplace. Actually, there's a lot of other greater places to find products instead of the Marketplace. And you might think, what kind of platforms or what platforms do I need to look for? Or where do I find the products instead of the Marketplace? You could look for products under all the following listed products or stores over here when you're trying to add a product. And what you could just do is that you could look for an item in a specific store. Let's say this one over here. What is this called? The 3-head shower head or the 3-speed shower head. So what we're going to do is this: we're just going to copy the URL link and go to our AutoDS and paste it over here. It will be able to recognize the supply source right away and the region. And what you could do is you could click on Edit Now, and then you will be able to modify information about this product, such as the title, the category, the payment policy, the description, the variants, as you can see here, the images, item specification, all kinds of things. You will be able to look for it and find and modify. If you're satisfied with that, you can simply click on Save and Import, which will basically save all the changes that you have made, and then you will be able to import it into your Facebook store, which is really great. Now, you could simply look for all kinds of items, whether it's under our marketplace or under other platforms. You could easily do that. We also have an option to be able to import multiple products at once. So you would think it's a very hassle way to import products one by one, especially if you have a lot of products that you want to sell. So you could use this multiple add products option or feature, where you just put all the URL links in this text box over here, or you could also upload a CSV instead, where you have this. I have the following file service over here, or file format over here that you could follow. And there's also an AutoDS Finder available for you to use, as you can see here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.